Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we have the new cue card. This is the latest cue card. So this is the cue card from September to December 2023. Okay, so this is the latest one. Describe a time that something changed your life in a good way. So here we have the story. Last year, I was leading a sluggish lifestyle. Due to excessive intake of junk food, my weight was over 100 pounds, or you can say that my weight was over 80 to 90 kg. Okay, and one of my friends who visited my home, and he is your best friend, he is your childhood friend, whatever he is, you can mention that thing. And we met after such a long time. Okay, and he laughed at me when he saw me. I was too lazy, and he got astonished after looking my personality. And after that, I took resolution because when I saw him, he looked so stunning. He looked so fit and fine. So that time, I took a resolution. I took a frequent transition in my diet plan, okay, and which is being overloaded with obtained nutrition. And when I saw my friend's pleasing personality, and he advised me to join a gym, which is a stone throw away from my home. And when I joined the gym, I did so many things over there, such as, you can say that, I did cardio, I did so many exercise. And after 3 months, I realized that I acquired unimaginable result. I shaping my personality and more emphasis in work and studies. Okay? And after that, I finally paved a way towards a salubrious lifestyle, which I took a mood change in my life and brings me happiness and joy. Okay, so this is the whole story about the change your life in a good way. In the end, you can say that. So that was the time when my life was changed in a good way. Okay, so this is the story. If you follow the same story, or you can say if you use the same vocabulary things in your cue card in the speaking module, or you can say that thing in the writing module, it's easy for you to get your desired bands 7 or 7+ band scores. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and have a wonderful day.
Listen.